Yo, what's up, man? We about to put the water pump on our '04 Suburban. So check it out. I got it all taken apart. Here's the new part. Thanks to AutoZone for the increase. There it goes. Put in the thermostat. Put in the gasket. Using the black gasket maker, oil resistant. Okay, there's the thermostat. Put that on there. So we got the new water pump on. It's 6 bolts, 3 on the other side, 2 thermostat housing, and another 3 for the pulley. Put your belt back on, covers. That's how it goes. 04 going 65 on the freeway, cut like nothing. Butter, no check engine light on the motherfucking dash. No motherfucking check engine light on the dash, bro. I tell you, man, it's gonna be hard to get rid of this baby. You got the nice steering wheel. Don't have the buttons, but this is the newer body steering wheel. And look, like 65 RPMs at 2,000.